In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alert on Salesforce. We're going to create an email alert in Salesforce, so your team is notified automatically when something important happens. You'll need access to Salesforce in the Lightning experience and permission to work in setup. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, check with your admin to confirm your profile has the right access. First, go to your Salesforce org and sign in. If you're in Salesforce Classic, switch to Lightning so the menus look the same as what I'm describing. Give the page a moment to load completely so the admin options are available. Next, click the gear icon in the upper right and choose Setup. This opens the Setup workspace in a new tab by default. If you're prompted to open Advanced Setup, go ahead and open it. This reveals the full admin menu on the left, which is where we'll do the rest of the configuration. In the Setup sidebar, locate the Quick Find search box and type Email Alerts. When you see Email Alerts appear in the results, select it. This takes you to the place where all existing alerts are listed and where you can create a new one. Click New Email Alert. This opens a form with all the fields you need to define how your alert will behave. We'll walk through the essentials to make sure it works the first time. Start with a clear description so anyone can understand the purpose of the alert later. The unique name usually fills in automatically, but you can adjust it to match your naming standards. Choose the object the alert is tied to, like lead, opportunity, or case, because that controls which records can trigger it and which fields are available to your templates. Select the email template that will be sent. If you don't have one yet, pause and create it first so you can reference it here. For recipients, pick who should receive the message. You can target specific users, roles, or record-based options like the owner or a related contact. If needed, add additional email addresses in the extra recipients field. Finally, choose the from address. Using an organization-wide email address helps with branding and deliverability. When everything looks good, click Save. Your email alert is now ready to be used by your automations. You'll typically reference this alert from a flow, a process, or a workflow rule, so it fires at the right time. A few quick tips. Make sure email deliverability is set to allow sending, test with a sample record in a safe environment, and keep your naming and descriptions consistent so future updates are easy. That's it. Your Salesforce email alert is set up and ready to go.